Today we're going to remove a radio from a 2015 Toyota Sienna. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and remove this trim from here. We're going to use a trim tool removal. Go ahead and just press here and just try to lift this up. Alright, what you actually have to do is pull this way and with your other hand pull out, and out it comes, and just do it all the way around. So same thing on this side, just go ahead and pull it out. Oh, there it is. And out this comes, and we'll just set this to the side for now. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this plastic trim, and what we're going to simply do is pull on it backwards just like so, and just let that hang just like that. Alright, next thing we're going to do is unlock the shifter. We're going to go ahead and use a small flathead and open this up right here. Alright, and there it is, and just set that down to the side. Next thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and remove this. Just turn this counterclockwise and take this off and put it to the side. Now what we're going to do is move all of this here. Alright, and all we're going to simply do is pull on this here. All this comes out. All this plastic trim. Might want to use a trim tool removal to get it from the corners down here. I didn't need it. Alright. And now what we're going to do, gotta move this shifter down. Let's go ahead and press the release. And I'm going to need both hands. Alright, and there it is. You do have to step on the brake as well. Then this is ready to come out. There is 2 pigtails connected to it, behind it. Just move this a little bit to the side so you have some access. Just be careful not to damage anything on the way out. There it is. And in here are our pigtails. So let's go ahead and undo these. Alright, and there it is. And there's the first pigtail. And the second one right there. There they are, 1 and 2. Now we'll just set this to the side. And we're going to use, it looks like maybe a 10 to get these out. An extension down here. Pull out the radio. And just go ahead and take all these out. And put them in a nice safe location. Alright, and there it is. Now let's go ahead and disconnect all of these pigtails from behind the radio. And there it is. All the wires are disconnected. And that is how you remove the radio from a 2015 Toyota Sienna. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.